Evaluation of e-prescription architecture according to scalability and web integration. We designed our e-prescription system which has the ability to expand if required with the needs of hospital. The present design system can be changed to accommodate the future needs of hospital if required to expand to other departments and further. At present, if the load of patients in the diabetes and endocrinology department increases, the capability of a system can be increased for its total output by adding few more hardware to it. The resource requirements are taken into consideration while developing the present system. Since the concept of scalability is desirable, while building the prescription system, the ability to accept increased volume of patient input by increased specialists is taken into consideration without impacting the contribution margin. The ability for an increasing number of users or number of organizations to easily share a single distributed system. The ability to enhance the system by adding few functionality at minimal effort. The ability for a prescription system to easily expand and contract its resource pool to accommodate heavier or lighter loads or number of inputs. Alternatively, the ease with which a system or component can be modified, added or removed to accommodate changing load using horizontal or vertical scaling method. The highly technical process used by hospital in future by which a business defines their system architecture to meet or exceed the concerns of delivering functional, performance and security requirements can be handled with this integrated approach. The web-centric application can run on the internet or a company intranet or extranet. It will avoid many connectivity and compatibility problems arising with involvement of different hardware environment. In future, when the expansion of the prescription system is done, standard web browser can be used to import and export data. Web integration system will improve communication and provide a fast and error-free method of transacting with one another. With our e-prescription, we decided to do following types of integration. Presentation layer integration will allow the user collaboration to access remote applications. Functional layer integration will provide applications to directly access business logic as web service interaction, primarily functions between the applications and the APIs. Data layer integration will allow remote accessing of databases by an application. With complex integration in future, we can integrate any 2 or 3 types of above mentioned for business or commercial solutions.
The detailed report can be printed at the start of every shift by the pharmacist and the nurse. As our system is online, the report can also run in the background and be auto-updated as more insulin orders are created. It provides the detailed lists of all patients who have been prescribed short and long-acting insulin for that date. By paragraphing the report by due times, it can help practitioners organise their day. By providing totals, it gives a number of different ways for the pharmacist and nurse to check that they have prepared the correct total number of doses and the correct dose weight. The summary report is for middle and upper management. For example, the ANUM, NUM and head of pharmacy. Nurse managers can work out when to organise staff breaks based on when less doses are required to be administered. For this use, it is to be printed at the start of every shift. By comparing daily reports, daily trends can be graphed and analysed. NUMs can assess if the workload of nurses on the ward is increasing. The head of pharmacy can assess if more or less insulin is being ordered. For this use, the report is to be printed the following day. The exemption report is a historical data set. It is to be printed at the start of the following week by high-level managers such as the ward NUM, head of endocrinology, and the quality and safety unit. If the same type of insulin was ordered for the same patient at the same date and time, it appears in this report. It is designed to see if a patient has received multiple doses of insulin by accident, or if there was a near miss of this happening. The ordering doctor and administering nurse are listed so they can be followed up if required.